When I was young, my grandmother gave me a stone dog, and at my age, I was very destructive, and I didn't know the value of a gift from a loved one. So, I took some nail polish and made the dog look pretty. My mother was mad at me and told me to clean it up before it got ruined. But even with nail polish remover, I couldn't get the nail polish off, making me feel bad that I ruined the dog. As my grandmother grew older, I realized that she's not going to live forever and may not remember everything, so I decided to repaint the dog to help her remember a special moment between us because I want to see her smile.